applause.
Monazit Narzari Award for Best Choreography. Rumsari Monazit Narzari. बिथांनि जोनोमा आथिखालनि क'क्राझार जिल्लानि सिङाव थानाय थेङापारा गामियाव 1973 इं मायथाइनि 3 एप्रिलाव जादोंमोन। बिथाङा सासे फावखुंगुर आरो लोगोसे साउन्ड इन्जिनियारमोन। बिथाङा थांनाय 2020 इं मायथाइनि 5 डिसेम्बर खालाराव रुंसारि जालाङो। The nominees are
To do the honor, may we invite
And felicitate ma'am with an aroma and a memento. Let's give a big round of applause. May we have the name of the winner, please?
award for Monazit Narzari Award for Best Choreography.
Khulumbai. Good evening, everyone. The Best Choreographer Award goes to Bigray Basunatari.
Bigray Basunatari, the winner of Monazit Narzari Award for Best Choreography is none other than Bigray Basunatari. Can we have you in the stage? The winner will be honored with a trophy, a certificate, dummy check.